Increased coronavirus testing will roll out this week across the state. Governor Evers' goal is to reach 85,000 tests a week. The state will be doing this with help from local health departments, the National Guard, and even some local firefighters. Tom Durian tells us what this effort will look like.
The exact testing locations have not been finalized, but we do know that Milwaukee and Green Bay are part of the first rollout.
Everybody in Wisconsin who needs a test receives a test.
Health officials say to make that happen, testing across the state needs to expand rapidly. And today we learned plans are being drawn up and could be implemented this week. The state currently has 51 labs that can test up to 11,347 tests a day. But the tests have to be administered, and that's where the major ramp up will be.
The National Guard and local health departments will continue to stand up testing sites around Wisconsin.
Today we are testing civilians to see if they are either positive or negative for COVID-19.
And just like the 1,000 or more National Guard troops helping administer testing across the state, locally, Milwaukee Fire Department personnel will soon be joining the fight.
The Milwaukee Fire Department, they have stepped up and said they're willing to help out however they can.
The fire department tells me that many of their members are uniquely qualified with a medical background to help boost the capacity of the testing sites in the city. In addition to the 5 community health clinics currently doing testing and the drive-through sites from private hospitals, we could soon see more state and local drive-through sites as well.
The goal is to have the maximum impact of the scaled-up testing capacity that we have.
That means at this point, health officials say those that are symptomatic and those who may not have any symptoms but came into contact with someone who is positive for COVID-19 should be the top candidates for a test. Now, this doesn't mean that you can pick up the phone and call the fire department for a COVID-19 test. They will be extra staff at these testing locations. The state says some of these locations could be up and running by the end of the week. Reporting in Milwaukee, Tom Durian, TMJ4 News.